Hello surveyors, welcome at our channel Ravi Kant RK Production. Namaste from India. So today our topic is how to align any structure in your alignment. Main today discussion is align command, okay, in AutoCAD. So suppose that this is our bridge structure and this is our highway alignment. Now designer has designed this bridge and he make us in this alignment, okay. So now we have to align this structure as per our highway alignment. So how you can rotate it or align it? For example, if you rotate this, so it will not exact come into this shape, okay. So best option to align this. So for align you have to take align command. Shortcut is AL, enter, okay. After that select object, enter. Now it will show you specify first source point. So for example, this is our first source point and I will give this first source point to first destination point. So it will be our first destination point. After that we will take specify second source point. This is our second source point and now we will go to second destination point. So this is our second destination point. So we can align with 2 point also, no problem. This is saying third source point, but no need to third. We will just press enter, okay. After that this is saying you want to change the scale of the structure. No, I don't want to change the scale of the structure. I want to remain same this scale. So we will press no and enter. After that you can see I will regenerate it and now you can see this bridge align with our alignment very accurately and exactly, okay. So this is the feature of align command. You can align any of your structure with your alignment very accurately. You cannot exactly align with rotate command, so you have to use align command, okay. Hope you like our video. Kindly like and comment here in our video and subscribe to our channel. Press bell icon. Thank you to watch our video. Thank you. Bye.